Have you ever made this overlapping typography effect in Canva? Now I will show you how to make it as an answer for this question. First, go to Canva and then click here and find custom size and tap here 4500 width and height on the pixel and then create new design. Now type the text. For example, I will type here grateful. I will change the font to a tall font like Antonio and I will choose the extra bold typeface and then I will increase the size. First, I will change the color of the text to the same color as the background, which is white, and then go to effect and choose outline and then change the color to black and then I will resize the thickness. Okay, now download it with transparent background as PNG and click download. Now I will change it back to none and change the color to black and then upload the PNG here and then I will go to apps. I will type here skew, enter and choose this skew image. Set the horizontal skew to 0 and the vertical -15 and then add to design. Okay, now remove the origin PNG and then increase the size of the skew text. Right click and layer, send to back and then duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin outline text. Okay, and then crop from the right to the center like this and then download it as PNG. Please uncheck the transparent background and click download. Now add a new page. I will change the page background to other color like orange. Upload the second PNG here and then use BG remover to remove the white color to make it transparent. Okay, now we have it. And then download it as PNG or as PDF with transparent background, page 2 only. Download and then you can use it on t-shirt or hoodie like this. And if you want to change the color, you can go to edit and choose dual tone, choose custom, and then change the shadow to other color. So this is the tutorial. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share the link to your social media, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.